When you're going through the holiday season after a divorce or a separation, the worst thing you can do is to begin to buy your children lots of gifts. It is a black hole that you do not want to fall into. You cannot replace a person with things. And so often parents will try to make things up to their children by buying them new gym shoes or getting them a new bicycle. But that bicycle will turn into a car 10 years from now, and they'll still be making you pay for that separation or divorce. Things happen in life, and you cannot try to buy your way out of it. You need to help your children understand that our finances have changed, and all of us may need to make some sacrifices, and we will not increase our spending to make up for the difference. So do not begin to buy extra gifts to make up for the fact that you are now separated or divorced.
You can make it through the coming holiday season with the help of a Divorce Care Surviving the Holidays seminar. Find one near you, along with more holiday survival resources at www.divorcecare.org/holidays.